Mom's spaghetti, the one that fed 11 kids. The one that still tastes like home. Let's get at it. Spaghetti night wasn't a special occasion, it was Monday. Every Monday. My mother didn't have time to babysit a sauce. She had 11 of us run around that kitchen, so she built one that would cook itself. This is her recipe. I'm not upgrading it, I'm not fixing it, I'm just making it for you. Let's go over the ingredients. Here's what we're working with. Fresh ground beef. Lean to extra lean will get you a better yield because we're gonna rinse this. Now stay with me, but you'll see. A leaner beef will give you a higher yield in meat. So I bought the best that I could get in regular ground beef, which this is a chuck and brisket blend. Green onions and garlic are our first two layers. We have cut up a half of a green onion and one medium-sized bell pepper cut into chunks. Size isn't real important because it's gonna get blended. Canned San Marzano tomatoes. We have two jarred sauces, Classico Traditional and Prego Traditional. Now we're using Prego because Campbell's she used to use doesn't exist anymore. A can of beanless Hormel chili, some unsalted beef stock, which is apparently missing from here right now, some fresh lemon juice, oregano, salt and pepper. Full-scale recipes on the site, brinnersmokehouse.com. I'm making a half batch today. Either way, this makes a lot of sauce. Plan on about 3/4 of a pound of pasta for every quart of sauce. We start with the beef. Brown it in a large pan, then rinse it. Yeah, I know, but rinse it. Gets the excess fat off without drying it out. While that's working, hit a separate pan with a little olive oil. Green onions and garlic go in together. Slice thin, cook soft. That's your first flavor layer. Add it straight to the beef. Now let's build the base. Same pan, don't wash it. Add the rest of the oil and saute the onions and bell peppers until they're soft. Now the tomatoes. Mom used tomatoes she froze from the garden every summer. I don't have that, so I'm going to use the next best thing, canned San Marzanos, whole peeled. Not diced, they don't break down right. Not the same, but honest. Drain about half the liquid, everything into the blender, the peppers, the onions, the tomatoes. Let it rip until it's smooth. That's your base. Every bit of flavor, zero chunks. That's how Mom got vegetables past 11 kids without a single complaint. Dad didn't really like bell peppers, but he liked the flavor, so this was a method that Mom got everybody to eat their vegetables. Now let's pull it all together. Now the jarred sauce. Mom used Campbell's Italian style and Classico Traditional together. The Classico's still on the shelf. That stays, but the Campbell's Italian style doesn't exist anymore. Campbell's developed Prego to compete with Ragu, and Prego Traditional is the closest thing to what the old Campbell's brought to the pot. Classico and Prego, that's the modern version. It works. Then the Hormel chili, no beans, straight from the can. This is what gives the sauce body and a little kick. Mom always used it, so will I. Now the stock. Mom used low-fat beef broth. I'm going unsalted and seasoning at the end. Fresh squeezed lemon juice, a tablespoon. Brightens the whole pot without making it taste like lemon. And oregano, 1.5 teaspoons. That's the herb that ties it all together. Stir it all together. Bring it up to a bubble, not a rolling boil, just a bubble. Then drop it to low. Cover and walk away, at least an hour. Longer if you've got time, maybe even overnight. Mom never did. Salt and pepper to taste. Remember, once it's in, it doesn't come out. Start light, you can always add more. About 15 minutes before you're ready to eat, get your water going. Salt it, and I mean salt it. It should taste like the ocean. That's the only chance the pasta has to pick up some seasoning. Spaghetti goes in. Cook it to the package time minus 1 minute. You want a little bite left because it's going to finish in the sauce for that last minute. That's what coats the noodles. Drain it, don't rinse it, and straight into the sauce. Shall we give it a try? That's it, that's the one. Smooth sauce. You'd never know there's a whole pepper and onion base hidden in there, and that's how Mom wanted it. After an hour on low, nobody is going to notice the difference. They're just going to know it tasted like home. And garlic bread on the side. Split a baguette, spread on Brinner butter with French onion, recipe on the site too. 400-degree oven, 10 minutes, done. Mom's version? I'm pretty sure it involved Lipton's onion soup mix. She used that stuff on everything. Do you use Lipton onion soup mix in your house? What kind of recipes do you use? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. 11 kids, nothing wasted. Not food waste, just good food. If you want to see the next chapter of Mom's Table, like and subscribe. Later, Mom.